everyone, greetings of the day. Welcome to Sneha Gode Programming YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see the hands-on of write a program to find the area of rectangle where length is 5.2 meter and width is 10.1 meter, and accordingly in a square meters we have to print the output. So this program we can perform by using the three ways. First, using the assignment of values. Second, without using the third variable, and third is get the input from the user and print the output. So let's see one by one. So we are going to start the first. As we know, while writing down the program, first of all we have to include the header files. So I'm going to include the header file, that is standard input output. Okay, then as we know, every program starts execution from the main function. That's why here I am going to use the function, that is main function, and we are just writing down the body of the function now. That's for opening and the closing bracket. Now here, as per the given program, we have to find out the rectangle area. So the length of the rectangle is given as 5.2 meter and width is given as 10.1 meter. And we have to perform this task by using the assignment values. Right? Means here we don't have to use the scan function. Okay. So here we can clearly see that length is 5.2 meter. It means that it is a floating data type. So that's why float length, I'm taking the variable name as length, or else you can go for the length complete also. Okay, length is equal to 5.2. okay, and width, width, is equal to 10.1. okay, and we are giving the semicolon. Okay, here it is not mentioned in the first. Here it is not mentioned that we have to use third variable or not. Okay, so yes, we can use the third variable, that is area, or else we cannot, depend upon us. Okay, so for the first side I'm just using this area. Okay, now what I have to print? First of all, I have to print that what is the length value and what is the width value, and after that I have to perform this finding out the area of rectangle task. Okay, so for that purpose I'm just using the printf, and I just want to print what is the length of rectangle is %f, because it is of float data type and length. Okay, data present at the length memory location is going to be printed. Then here in the next line I have to print the value of width of the rectangle. So in the next line, that's why \n. So width of rectangle, again %f with some space, comma, width. Okay, now I have to find out the area of rectangle. So what is the formula of area of rectangle? It's length into width, right? Okay, then after that here I have to print the area of rectangle. That's why here \n, area of rectangle is %f. Why %f? Because area is in float data type, is of float data type. That's why. Now here comma area and written 0. Okay, let's run this program. Yes, so we can see here the length of rectangle is 5.2, right? 5.2 meters. Okay, then area width of rectangle is 10.1 and area of rectangle is 52.52. Okay, so basically we know that we are using the float data type. That's why here we are getting the output as 52 after decimal point 6 decimal values. So we are getting the output of only 2, so remaining will be considered as zeros and it is getting printed over here. Okay, hope this is clear for everyone. Again, if we have to print square meter, that what is the unit of the rectangle, area of rectangle, it is square meter. So that's why if I'll write down here square meter, so we are getting this output. Okay, what if I have to consider this area as int? Okay, I just want the area in the integer format. Okay, so here I'm going to use the int data type of area. Let's run the program. See, here we are getting the wrong output, that is 10.10, because here area is equal to length into width, right? And here I have used the %f. Instead of this I have to use the %d over here because area is of int data type. Okay, now you can see here without any decimal point, means a means integer does not contain any decimal variable, decimal point data. That's why here only the full integer value is printed and 0.52 is not going to be printed over here. Okay, right, hope this is clear for everyone. So we are done with our first thing, that is using the assignment of values. Again, if you don't want to use this third variable, now this is using the third variable, right? Now if we don't want to use the third variable, then what we'll do, right? So here if I want to print the area in the %d, means in the integer form, let's see that it is working or not. Length into width. Okay, so let's run the program. See, here we are not getting the exact answer. Here we are getting some warnings that format %d expect the argument type integer, but argument 2 has type double, right? So that's why here we are not able to get the value in as a %f. Okay, if you have to do this, you have to assign the one more variable, or else you can do, yes, one more variable, and after that you can if you want the value in a decimal form, you can do the typecasting. Okay, let's get the answer. Now here the exact answer which is required we are getting here. So this is using assignment of values. Okay, so here we haven't used any scan function and we are not giving any values. Values are already given or assigned at the time of writing the program. Okay, so this is about the first task. Hope this is clear. Now second, without using third variable, this thing also we have covered in the previous program, that is area just we have removed from there. Okay, so at the last we will see this without using third variable. I'll just explain with the input with the scanf function also. Okay, now here we have to get the value from the user and we have to perform this task. Okay, now here any random length will be given to us, or and any random width will be given to us by the user. Okay, so let's start here. Same again, every program starts execution from the main function, so we have to write down the main function first, and here we'll go with a float. Okay, because Now we don't know that which type of value is given by the user. It is either integer type, float type. Okay, character. If it is a character type of data, then we have to convert it into the integer first, and after that we will get the output of it. Okay, so let's start with this float. So float here, length. Okay, I'm taking the length as a L and width as a W and area as a A. Okay, now here printf that, and now we need to get the value from the user, right? So make it more user friendly, we are just writing down printf enter the value of length, or else enter the length of rectangle also. Okay, don't forget to give the semicolon. Now we have to scan that, the value given by the user, right? We need to read that value. So here %d comma ampersand of L. Okay, at the L memory location we are going to store. Then printf same. Okay, oh yeah, instead of length now we need width of rectangle. Sorry, here it should be %f. Okay, because it is of float data type. Okay, no need to write down again and again. You can just do some changes by doing the copy paste, or else yeah. Okay, now you can see here it is a capital W. Here we have declared capital W. Here it is small w. So it is a case sensitive language. So we have to give the capital W over here. Okay, then we need to find out the area of, so it is length into width. Okay, and now we have to print area of is %f here with some space, comma, in the memory location A we have stored, and there written 0. Let's run the program. Now I'm giving the value as 50. Okay, so giving the value as 50. Enter the width of rectangle. It is 34. We are getting our answer, that is 1700. Okay, so along with the 6 zeros, right, because it is a float data type, right? Again we'll run the program, and now I want to print the length of rectangle, that is 690, and it is 78. So we are getting the answer also again. Okay, then again I'll execute it. Now it is 8.9. Let's go with the 6 digits, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and it is 1.0000065. So we are getting our answer, that is 8.912924 after the multiplication, right? Okay, let's check that what is going to be happen if we'll go give more than 6 decimals. Okay, so 5.123456789, right? And here 5.123456789. So if we'll give, that is 5 into 5, that is 25, right? So here after multiplication 1 is again adding. So now you can see here we have given 9 digits, right, after decimal, but our length is float, that is only 4 bytes of memory allocation, and it can hold only the after point, it can hold only the 6 digits. That's why we are getting the answer till 6 digits only, right? Hope this is clear for everyone. Right, now get the input from the user. Without using third variable, we have to perform this task of finding out the area of rectangle. Okay, so simply what I'm going to do here, I'm just removing this a variable that is used for area, and instead of this a, I'm using L into. Let's run the program. .08, it is 6.4, and we are getting our answer, that is 58.112000, right? Yes guys, like this you can perform this task. Okay, now you can find the area of square, rectangle, circle, right? Anything. Okay, you can write down the program easily, just you should know the formula and the proper syntax of writing down the C program. Okay, please comment in the comment box that which program you want, the explanation of which program in my next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Hope this is clear for everyone.